Hello everyone, this is Bushra Khan and guess what? Chicago में I just bumped into Mr. Farhan Saeed जो कि किसी तारुफ के मोहताज नहीं. Nationally तो he is representing Pakistan but internationally भी पूरी दुनिया ने जानती है. He's a great renowned singer. क्या खूबसूरत आवाज़ है. लेकिन सिंगिंग के साथ साथ he is multi-talented. ना तो सिर्फ बेहतरीन सिंगर हैं बल्कि बेहतरीन एक्टर भी है और ये सब हम सब ने विटनेस किया है. So Mr. Farhan Saeed, Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Chicago. How are you?
Very good, Assalamualaikum. How are you?
आई एम गुड, थैंक यू. आपका कंसर्ट हमने देखा, खूबसूरत गाने आपने गाए. वैसे एक गिला शिकवा होता है लोगों का कि लिपसिंग की जा रही होती है, बैक एंड पे म्यूजिक आर्टिफिशियल चल रहा होता है, लेकिन मैंने खुद विटनेस किया कि आपने लाइव नॉन स्टॉप गाया है. क्या राज इसके पीछे? हाउ डिड यू गेट मोटिवेटेड एंड व्हाट्स द रीजन बिहाइंड दिस?
The reason you just started the question with it, लोगों के गिले शिकवे. No, actually, I think for me as a musician on stage, it's always about getting the energy of the crowd and doing new things all the time. My one show is not similar to the other. My set list is not similar. I see the crowd and I get the energy and then I improvise. So मुझे मज़ा आता है उसमें, बल्कि अगर मुझे track लगा देंगे तो I'll be bound. I won't enjoy that. So yeah, as an artist, I've been doing this since forever.
That's amazing. So पाकिस्तान से जब आप बाहर आते हैं, बाहर के मुल्क आते हैं और डिफरेंट स्टेट्स में आप परफॉर्म करते हैं, तो आपके लिए कैसी फीलिंग होती है या कह सकते हैं कि ये प्राउड मोमेंट होता है? कुछ शेयर करें.
Especially when you come to perform for Pakistanis that are not in Pakistan, it feels very special there. You know, it's like you're taking them home for a while. एक डेढ़ घंटे के लिए आप उनको घर की याद दिलाते हैं. And I think meeting Pakistanis all over the world, and then I see there are Indians here too, and they're different nationalities. So representing Pakistan is always a great pleasure. When I was 17, 18, I remember not being so patriotic, but now I can do anything for Pakistan. Representing Pakistan is my life, and I think all the people I meet here, it's good in every way. It's like whatever you do on television, on music, on everything, it just pays back when you see them enjoying that much.
True, indeed. I would second that. और अगर मैं ये पूछूं आपसे कि यूएस के अलावा, ये चले मे बी इट कुड बी यूएस, आपको किस जगह पर सबसे ज़्यादा अच्छा लगता है परफॉर्म करना, या आपकी फेवरेट जगह कौन सी है जहाँ पे आपकी फेवरेट हम कह सकते हैं ऑडियंस है या चाहने वाले होते हैं?
It's a very difficult question. मुझे हर जगह भी अच्छा लगता है, but अभी मैं for particular this tour, I'm very excited for Toronto. We are leaving for Canada tomorrow, Calgary, Vancouver, and then Toronto is one I'm looking out for. I think it's going to be one good show because we've been there for Hum Awards and I've seen Toronto crowd. This is after a while. This is my first show, the solo show in Toronto. I am looking forward to it. वैसे हर जगह ही special होती है. Chicago was unbelievable today.
No doubt.
So yeah, for now I'm gonna say I'm looking forward for Toronto, but it's special everywhere.
और अगर मैं पूछूं आपकी बकेट लिस्ट में कोई ऐसी विश है कि आपने किसी फेवरेट आर्टिस्ट के साथ स्टेज शेयर करना, तो कौन हो सकता है?
सारे फौत हो गए बेचारे.
लेजेंडरी, आप यानी कि किसी लेजेंड्स की बात करें. ऑफ कोर्स
मैं नुसरत फतेह अली खान साहब की बात कर रहा हूँ. मेरी बड़ी ख्वाहिश थी कि मैं उनके साथ कभी, अल्लाह करे वैसे टेक्नोलॉजी आ गई है, शायद उनके साथ एक गाना करूं.
AI could be something. लेकिन if we talk about the one who obviously जो कि इस वक्त हम में मौजूद हैं.
जी, मुझे I love everybody. I love Atif, I love Bilal Saeed, I love Asim Azhar, I love Tala Anjum. I love everybody who's representing Pakistan and doing so good for Pakistan. I love Rahat Fateh Ali Khan साहब. मुझे वैसे ही पाकिस्तान को जो इतनी अच्छी स्टेज पे रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा है, मुझे उनसे प्यार है. मैं किसी के साथ भी परफॉर्म करना चाहूँगा.
You took Mr. Atif Aslam's name. So if you three musketeers just get back together by stroke of luck to share the stage, would you guys do that? Mr. Gohar Bhatt, Mr. Atif Aslam, of course you, because आप तीन लोगों का जो try था, it was loved by everyone amongst masses.
Yeah. Yeah, as a collaboration, maybe for sure. Like I would do with Atif, I wouldn't mind with Gohar too. But yeah, as I said, that I'm open for every collaboration.
And second last question, because I don't want to take much of your time. So my second last question is, I just want you to please clear to the audience, when we talk about Pakistani audience, when we talk about the fans overall, especially the Desi fans, they were really curious to know about your relationship with Urwa, Miss Urwa. So
they don't know my relationship with Urwa?
Obviously. So there were rumors regarding if you guys got separated or something. I know, obviously, the truth, but I would like to make you guys clear. What's the truth?
The truth
you
is
guys
that
are having a happy Cinderella
The
story, obviously.
The truth is that we have a daughter of 2.5 years, mashallah,
Mashallah.
and we are as together as it gets.
Amazing, good to know. And of course, last question थोड़ा patriotic है, and of course होना भी चाहिए. पाकिस्तान हमेशा जिंदाबाद. जब मैं बात करती हूँ पाकिस्तान की as a table, as a mediator for Iran and US, ceasefire कराने में Mr. Asim Munir और हमारी जो government है पाकिस्तान की, they played a crucial role and they just did amazing. What would you say? Any words for them?
I second that. As a Pakistani, I'm proud of it. And I don't know if it's going to happen or not, but we tried. I think we've done our part.
Thank you so much. Thank you
Thank
for your time.